Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW Z4 sDrive30i in Thundernight Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW Z4 sDrive30i in Thundernight Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the headlights going on there. And let me press and hold panic for 1 second. Pathway lighting, full low beam system is on. So let me do a lap all the way around the car. I love this color, Thundernight Metallic. And I'm glad that it's on the Z4, but I'm sad the Z4 is leaving our lineup. I hope we get some other kind of Roadster or something like that to replace this. But I haven't seen any mention of anything like that yet. So let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is the beautiful Thundernight Metallic. This color first appeared on the 2022 G42 M240i and 2 series. And that car and that color is what kind of blew up my YouTube channel. So this color has a special place in my heart. And my first 2 BMWs were in this color. So I really love Thundernight Metallic. We've got the lines coming down lengthwise here, as you can see from either side. We have the BMW Rondell up front. We have the high gloss black kidney grille with the honeycomb designs. We also have the front plate bracket on, some functional air ducts down here at the bottom. And let's get the headlights back on. So that looks pretty sweet. Now, if we go ahead and take a closer look at the headlights, so we do have the double headlight design and full pathway lighting on. You can see the low beam light here as well. So these are the BMW LEDs, and you can see all those little lines and intricate details on both of those light arrays here. Now, if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 799M wheels in jet black. So that looks really nice. And we have this hood line that goes across here. We have the fender cutout and side profile. Look at this. I wish we had an M coupe in this gen. We have black side mirrors. And of course we have the top down, so you can see immediately we've got the black interior. And we have touch comfort access on both door handles. There's your rear 799M wheel in jet black. And we have a natural duckbill built right into the trunk lid. Iconic L-shaped tail lights. We got Z4 badging in chrome. sDrive30i badging on the passenger side. BMW Rondell. Rear view cameras just here above the license plate bracket, and you can see we've got the vertical reflectors on each side and the rear diffuser with the split dual exhaust. So car looks pretty good, and I love this design from the back. Now if we go ahead and press and hold the tailgate button on the key, there's also a little micro switch here you could press with your hand here. Once that opens up, you'll see that we have a decent amount of space for a little Roadster. There's a pass-through through the center, and even with the top down, the space does not compromise, which is awesome. We have a little netted area on the driver's side, and we have this little area here. So if I open this up, you'll see that we have fuse box, wheel lock key, tow hook, and we've got your tire inflator stuff. And once we're done looking inside of here, you can grab the handle that's just underneath here, like this, and you can pull this down so you don't have to touch the exterior of the vehicle. Now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a little spot to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. Now if we go ahead and open up that passenger door, you'll see that we've got more stitching going across, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats for the passenger side as well as the driver's side, unlock lock, window switch, speaker down here, a little storage area, aluminum M dorsal, full power seat with side bolster, manual under the thigh extension here, and up top you got a little stirrup that's magnetic to hold your seatbelt, just as a seatbelt guide. And you can see back here we've got a bunch of speakers. There's also a wind deflector that this can come off, but it's probably best you just leave it there. There's the other side of the center pass-through, and we got this netted area to hold some stuff. And the seats themselves, black Vernosca leather. Got the little hole here as well, lots of bolstering. When we look over here, you'll see that we've got the nice stitching going across the dash, some vents, illuminated glove box, a little net over here. We have iDrive 7. We have your climate controls with heated seats. We have your programmable memory buttons. And if we push this forward, you'll see that there's a wireless charger, USB-A, 12-volt plug. There's your gear selector. We have the aluminum mesh trim inside of here. Convertible top operation, iDrive controller. And if I press this, here's your cup holders with a USB Type-C charging port in there. So now that we've had a chance to look through this side, let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so if we go to the driver door, open that up, you'll see that we have, again, the stitching going across the door panel, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, side mirror controls, window controls, unlock lock, and aluminum M dorsal. Oh yeah, and down here in that storage spot, there's a little pop for your tailgate. Full power seat with side bolster once again. We have the M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. We also have the nice stitching going across the dash here. We have the garage door opener buttons underneath the rear view mirror. Little visor here with a tiny mirror, and the light turns on. And just quickly, there's your backup camera, parking sensor view. And if we look down here, you'll see that we have the pedals, optional winter mats, exterior lighting controls, a little storage area down here. And down here, it's 2 pulls. 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything under the hood. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo. 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We also have your positive battery terminal here. Negative battery terminal is actually way over here. And your washer fluid is here, which is actually a great place for it. We also have the 2 strut bars for rigidity. And we've got the hydraulic arms on each side. So there's actually a lot of resistance because this hood is quite long and it's being held up. You got the 2 latches under the hood, so to close the hood properly, you want to bring the hood roughly about halfway and literally throw her down. Perfect. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around this beautiful Thundernight Metallic Z4. And with convertible season coming, this car is available, so if you are interested in driving Thundernight Metallic sDrive30i, contact me right away. This car is available. And also, we haven't actually seen this car with the top up yet, so let me just press and hold lock. So once the top is up, windows will then close next. And just to show you, we have not lost an ounce of space. Everything is still there. And if I just jump inside here for a second. So let me just, how much headroom is there? If I lengthen out, I can touch my head on the ceiling, but there's actually quite a bit of room. I am not bothered at all by the headspace. And yeah, I think this thing fits a big guy like me. So now that the top is up, I just wanted to do another lap just so you guys can see what it looks like with the top up as well. In Canada, you probably can't have the top down for the whole year, so there are going to be some times when the car will look just like this, and still looks awesome. And we're back here, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is the remote engine start, cold start sound. And I'm just going to take a little walk to the front here. So that's what it looks like with the headlights properly illuminated. And I'm just going to 1, 2, 3 again to shut her down. Perfect. Awesome. So how do you like the 2026 Z4 sDrive30i and Thundernight Metallic? Let me know in the comments below. Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW Z4 sDrive30i in Thundernight Metallic with the black interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.